The Speaker of APA's Assembly is sitting down with me today, Dr. Theresa Miskimen. Thank you so much for chatting with me.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate the opportunity.
How is the APA annual meeting going so far?
It is absolutely fantastic. It's one of my favorite events throughout the whole year, and I actually look forward, not only because of the networking, I get to see people I haven't seen in so many years, shout out for all of them, and even people from Puerto Rico. I'm a Puerto Rican psychiatrist, so I think this particular meeting has been an incredible meaning for us because we actually have been able to come together after, of course, what happened in Puerto Rico recently. So it is a moment for us to pause and to come together. So it has been quite fantastic for me.
Yes, absolutely. So for those who aren't as familiar with the Assembly, what role do they play at the APA?
So this is actually a grassroots network of members. The Assembly actually serves and represents the members at the district branch level, at the state association. In addition to that, we are a deliberative body and we recommend action to the Board of Trustees. So it is critical for people to become involved, not only at the local level with the district branches, their councils, their committees, like the New Jersey Psychiatric Association, Maryland Association, but also to be able to come together at the national level throughout the Assembly.
You're wrapping up your term as Speaker.
Yes.
As you look back at your term, what are you the most proud of?
I think that in the past several years, and it's not only a moment as I'm stepping down, but I was at the Assembly as an early career psychiatrist many years ago. But as I'm coming back to the Assembly for the last 6-7 years, this time I looked out into the audience and the diversity was just phenomenal. So seeing people that are coming in from different early career psychiatrists, we have resident fellows, we have people like me from minority and underrepresented areas, we have women, we have foreign medical graduates. It was so diverse. So being at that podium and looking out and seeing the diversity that's coming together was, to me, the proudest moment.
And then they're representative of the patients as well.
Absolutely. We represent, again, it's our voices at the local level, but we also are advocates for our patients and their families. And it's a community. So it is just fantastic to see everyone come together and fight for the advocacy and to advancement of our professional goals.
How would you encourage your fellow psychiatrists to get involved at the APA?
You have to start anywhere you can. So you could do it at the local level. I would say, like an early career psychiatrist or a resident fellow, go to your local district branch, call them up and say, is there a committee that I can participate? I'm interested in community psychiatry. How can I become a member of your committee? Can I do advocacy, legislative? Can I go with your district branch and talk to legislators about things that matter to you? Because what happens is that you're listening from your patients, you're listening for your peers, and that is what you got to bring back to the Assembly. What is important to that member? What is important to that family member? What is important to that patient?
Well, keep up the good work. Thank you so much for sitting down with us, Dr. Theresa Miskimen.
Thank you. It was a pleasure.
Enjoy your day.
Thanks.